To embed a simulation in a lesson or elsewhere across our site, start by going to the simulation, either from our Browse page or directly from related content in a particular lesson. You can access the embed code from any page, whether that's the main question page or within the sandbox environment. Go ahead and click on the vertical ellipsis up at the top and choose Embed. From there, copy the embed code and then go into the lesson that you are editing. Wherever you want to put that embed code and the embedded simulation, go ahead and click there and click on the little play button up at the top where it says Insert Edit Media. Paste your embed code. You can even preview it to make sure you're getting what you're looking for, and then go ahead and insert it. If for any reason you happen to be in a header, such as the summary right here or a bulleted list below, you'll see that that is grayed out, so just make sure that you're working in regular paragraph text to actually have access to that button. Once done, go ahead and finalize or keep your draft based on whether or not you want your students to see your content as is, or you want to save and continue to make more edits before you push it out to them, knowing you can always go back and edit more in the future. Once saved, you'll be able to see the simulation embedded directly where you included it in that particular lesson, and then you can launch it from there, just like a student would, to see that simulation in line with that particular lesson.